This is a quick start guide for the Excel Skills Google AdWords search terms template. This template enables users to identify the search terms which are the most effective for converting customers who are searching for their products or services on Google. So it basically analyzes your search terms of your Google Ads campaigns. Let's start by looking at the Invoices sheet. So on the Invoices sheet, you can include the search term and the invoice amount. So you need to have an accounting system whereby you can identify or link your Google search terms to invoices. You can then export information from that accounting system and paste it into this sheet. Let's look at the keywords. So the keyword sheet is a Google Ads report where you can generate data for your keywords based on a match type. So you can export all your keywords for the exact match type in this format and have your campaign, ad group, status, and so forth in the report. The important field though is the keyword. So the purpose of this is to identify keywords that have been included on an exact match basis in your Google Ads campaigns. So if you have a keyword that converts well, you want to know that it has been included on an exact match basis. Similarly, if you have a keyword that is not converting well, you want to be sure that you don't need to include it on an exact match basis. Let's review the search sheet for more information. So the search sheet is a summary basically for all your search terms, and to match search terms stats on Google reports, which has been included in the columns with yellow column headings. So you basically export your Google search report in this column layout and you paste your data into this sheet. You only need to do the columns that you want to include or measure. If you don't need all these columns, then you can delete them. But as long as your export file matches what you've pasted into this sheet. And then the columns with the light blue column headings contain formulas. So these calculations are done automatically in terms of the invoice value. That's based on the invoices sheet. And then the keyword status is based on the keywords sheet, just to indicate which search terms have been included as exact keywords. So when you paste your data into this sheet, it will show you a return on investment in column L on each of your search terms, and where there's no return, it'll obviously show 0. And that's basically it. So this template enables you to measure your Google Ads search terms to see what return on investment you are generating from these search terms. If you need more guidance on the template, please refer to the instruction sheet where we go into a lot more detail. You can also have a look at our support section of our YouTube channel where we post videos based on user feedback.